up the tree.
Okay, and Daddy, why don't you get up? This is Clara's coming to her last one. Watch out, the tree's gonna come down as well.
Lift it up on an angle. No, like this. Look. On an angle. And when it comes down, then you break it, see?
Look. Let it open. Oh, look at all those ornaments that fell through it.
Mostly this was the strongest.
Clara, come on. Izzy, help her open her little thing.
Don't worry, I will.
Hurry, Clara, come on. Clara.
What the heck was that?
Oh.
You want to open your little present? I mean, big present?
Come on, Clara. Oops.
Ooh, hey. You're okay. Look, come on. Look. Remember this?
Yay!
Remember the face? Remember that? You were riding around in that? Remember
Yay!
that? Hey, rip that side off there, honey. Up there.
We'll put her in it.
No. No, that's not yours. It's Sissy's.
Alright, let's put her in the car.
Let's sit in the car. Come on, Isabel, help me rip this off. Rip off the rest of the paper.
Sure.
I'm going to lift it. You rip the rest of the paper off. Okay? Hold it. Just hold it for a second.
Clara!
Can you give that one to Mommy, too? If that's Mom's.
Clara!
Mom, here.
Thank you, sweetie.
Watch out, baby. Come here.
Look. Wait, where's the
Yay! You coming to Mama?
Come here, you
You coming to Mama?
want-
Come
Oh,
here.
that's mine. It's mine.
It's okay. She's not gonna take it. Come here. You coming to Mama? You coming to Mama? Come, Mama. And I got you. You came to Mama.
Can I have the last ginger cookie?
Of course you can.
Yay.
You what?
I thought if I could have that last ginger cookie.